Welcome to the unboxing video of a computer monitor. You can guess. Let's see. Yeah. Viewsonic VX2476-SH 24-inch Full HD IPS panel monitor. Triangle base. We have the supporting panel we need to attach together, and we have HDMI cable, power cord, some tool for the screwdrivers, and manual books. And inside here is the monitor itself. Here it is. So yeah, let's do that. This is the base where it has logo on it, and this is the panel supporting column, and this is the screwdriver and the biggest screw. So we should be putting like this and tie the screw here. So we have two more screws that will attach to the back of the panel. So let's do this. We have here So we will attach this base to the monitor before we remove from the packaging, because it will be much safer. Yeah, and let's take this panel out. So here we have, so basically it can tilt. Here you can see like this. It can be tilted based on your height and viewing angle adjustment. So we have here we have the two HDMI ports. The VGA connector, I've connected to power source, and I've connected to my computer. So let's turn the power on. So yes, this is coming from the my computer from work. So let's watch some of the YouTube videos where I've loaded. So as you can see, I put 1080p Full HD on the video itself. so you can see how vibrant and the color are, but actually can't really see in the video, but it really is a really nice kind of display to me, at least. So yeah, it's a really nice display. Sorry that I was amazed in between those words. So this is the unboxing video of the Viewsonic VX2476-SH model. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.